today we are looking at triangle under this subject technical drawing. We are going to, at the end of the lesson, be able to define what a triangle means, be able to explain types of triangle, and also to construct triangles. Features of triangle. So features of a triangle. Triangle is a plane figure bounded by three sides and it contains three angles. Now look at this shape. It's a plane shape, just like we see a circle, rectangle, and other shapes. The topmost part here is known as the apex. Why? When you measure from the top, that's the apex to the base, that's the vertical, the perpendicular distance from the apex to the base is known as the altitude. And this part is known as the base. That's it, the side at which the triangle rests is known as the base of a triangle. Types of triangle. We have various types of triangle. Here, the first one is equilateral triangle. This triangle has all its sides equal. That is, all the sides, they are equal. So when you measure it, this length is equal to this length and to the other side. The second one is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, they are triangle which has two of the sides equal and base side equal. So you have isosceles triangle, this side and this side, they are equal, and of course the base angle also equal. The third one is scalene triangle. A scalene triangle, it has unequal sides. All the sides, they are not equal. It has three unequal sides and three unequal angles. While the last one is the right angle triangle. This one contains one right angle, that's angle 90 degrees. So we call this one right angle triangle. So how do we construct a triangle? We have various ways and methods you can use to construct triangle. Number one, when you are given the three sides, you can conveniently construct your triangle. Number two, when you are given two sides and one included angle, you can construct a triangle. When given two angles and the side between them, so two angles and the side between them, you can construct a triangle. Also, when you are given the hypotenuse and one angle, you can construct a triangle. And the last one we want to discuss here is when you are given the perimeter of a triangle and the ratio of its side, you can construct a triangle. Now let's take one example or two here. Like here we have to construct a triangle when you are given the length of the three sides. So let's say this, A, B, and C. So if our AB is 50 and BC is 40 and AC is 35 millimeters. So all you need to do is, with help of your ruler, you take your ruler and draw a line. Draw line AB equals 50 mm. Then you take your compass and you make point B as your center. When you measure the length 40, you make point B and then you open your compass and draw an arc of 40. So you take length AC and making A as center with help of your compass, you draw an arc of 35. So by joining this point and this point, you have 40 here, 50 here, and of course 35 at this. So when you are given the length of the three sides, you can construct a triangle conveniently. So the second example here is to construct a triangle when you are given the perimeter at the length of the side. And how do you do that? If, for example, you are given the perimeter to be 100 millimeters and the ratio of the side is in 2, 3, and 5. Then you can construct it by drawing the length of, you measure with a ruler from this point, let's say X and Y to be 100 millimeters. Then you divide it into a ratio of 2. That's ratio 2 to 3 and 4. So if this one is 2, this one is 3, and of course this one is 5. So ratio 5. Sorry. So we draw ratio 5 here. So we have 2, 3, and 5. So with the help of your compass, you open your compass to convenient length from this point to this point. Then you draw an arc. So you raise your compass and draw an arc like this. Then making this point, that's the fifth point at the center, length, you measure this one with your compass and draw another arc to cut it. So this arc will go something like this, and this arc will move something like this. So they intersect at this point. So this is the point of intersection. Then you join this one to this and join this one to this. So with this, you are able to construct a triangle where you are given the perimeter, like XY here is our perimeter of 100, and it's divided in ratio 2, 3, and 5. So with this, when we get we are going to stop here. So when we get to our Google Classroom, we are going to take some other example together. So I wish you well, and God bless you.